Gumlet Video is a video hosting platform that lets you securely upload, optimize, and stream videos, all while tracking detailed analytics. Effortlessly host, secure, and stream video content with a player customized for your brand. Launch your channel, collect analytics, and drive conversions with your videos. The first trick of Gumlet is the parallel video processing. That means you can upload tons of videos onto the CMS at the same time. While they're uploading, you can create titles, descriptions, and tags for a single video. There's even a function that lets you freeze frames for the perfect thumbnail right on the video page. If you want to share videos with clients and teammates but don't have the time, Gumlet's got you covered with a pre-built video channel page. It's like having your own personal YouTube channel. Transform your video hosting and offer the highest quality streaming experience for your followers. A dynamic video hosting platform that lets you streamline your video workflow and manage all of your content in one secure place. Let's check out some other awesome streaming features. Gumlet can automatically add subtitles to your videos in multiple languages. There's also the player customizations, which let you brand your video pages, and quick add-on features to include things like automated SEO, video preloads, and vast tags for monetization on your video player. You still have to set viewer permissions and keep tabs on your video analytics. Gumlet video processing templates, aka profiles. These profiles automate your video processing for different clients, teams, and use cases. This is where those fancy output settings come into play. Gumlet utilizes a little thing called per title encoding. For other folks, that means you're getting the highest possible compression without compromising on quality. This is going to simplify your entire CMS. No more waiting around for upload queues. You will be able to manage all your video content with collections profiles and automate your publishing with built-in SEO. Government's digital rights management features allow you to protect all your video content from those internet pirates and thieves. Tools like dynamic watermarking, geo-blocking, and storage encryption will ensure only you can control and own your videos. When your videos are out there in the wild, Gumlet Analytics Dashboard will help you grow an audience. You will be able to filter through user device and location metrics to find data-driven insights. Also, you can do what matters most: make incredible content. Transform your video hosting and take your video streaming to like Netflix status. Upload your videos directly or source them from cloud storage to manage all your video content in one place. You'll instantly get video URLs after uploading your videos. You can also organize your SEO video content using collections, folders, and profiles, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. You can set up integrations with a PR or Zapier and publish videos to different channels with embedly support. Gumlet Video uses per title encoding for the highest possible compression without compromising on quality, so you can deliver stunning streaming experiences. Give your audience a buffer-free experience powered by adaptive bitrate streaming and HLS. Gumlet Video lets you create a branded video player using your company's colors, logo, or watermark. You will get complete control over how your logo looks on the player by adjusting height, width, and position until it's pixel perfect. Plus, you can select which frame to use as the thumbnail, or upload an image or GIF to use in its place. Publish your videos with multiple subtitles and audio tracks to reach audiences across the globe. You can access detailed engagement and playback analytics to understand how viewers interact with your content. Best of all,